baseline drop, and it make you feel like say you are go about. I drop the music so nice. You would have bust a gunshot, but this like me now go bust if me no sing nothing slap. Oh gosh, the dance all business set away. All who no switch them blood can't turn gay. Them sell out them soul. We get radio play beat attach, must a turn in a engrave. Yo, we need a change right now. We need a change right.
Trenchtown, Raytown, Jonestown, Lindsay Town. This one was a mystery of your skaters. Put up your lights, I give you this. Put up your lights, I give you this.
Shit, DJs, shit.
A million words with a million thoughts. Spain town.
Shit, DJs, shit.
Trenchtown, Raytown, Jonestown.
One voice, I done voice, you know.
Yeah, if you don't know that song, you ain't doing nothing. That's Ibamar. Alrighty, yes, here we are. So, morning, gonna wake up? Ready? I'm sorry that I'm not going to the tea. We're gonna sort out the tea part. All right, but we're gonna start the show off with my lovely audience in studio and at home. Yeah, where do we always start? Where do we start? Weekend Smile. What we do first? Jeez, have them watch Weekend Smile. Let them know it's time for the trending topics. Let's dive right in. So, the first one is one they're going to give to Extel to read, right? So, I'm going to hand it over to Extel because he does the sports stuff.
Well, what happened this week, people?
What's a big thing in sports that happened this week?
We have to go back to France.
I see a France again?
A France
Oh
again.
my gosh, wow.
Reggae Girls qualified for the World Cup 2019. There will be a date which will have a special place for our team in France.
Yes,
I'm excited.
place in our hearts.
Reggae Boys went in 1998. I was, how old were you in 98? You just born. Some people just born. Some people just, I was 7 years old.
You were 7?
Yeah, so I remember that very clearly. It's a great thing for our country, history, and I guess we should just love France. Because 98, the 2019, Reggae Girls.
Who win World Cup, men's World Cup?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like it has a good luck thing for us.
Yeah, and the Reggae Girls became the first Caribbean nation to qualify for a Senior Women's World Cup.
Wow, that's so
Yeah.
awesome. Did you see the celebratory video that they did singing the anthem?
You know,
Ford. I was like,
you know,
yeah,
you know which
yeah.
part get me? You know which part get me? And when they say boom.
Yeah, what you mean, man? It was
Yeah,
awesome.
period. My mother used to always say, don't say boom, you know, don't say boom. But now you're going to have a generation of kids coming up.
That when you say boom.
I'm going to say boom until the next 20 years again. You know, so
Yeah.
they defeated Panama 4-2 on penalties. Great accomplishment.
Yeah, man, they did well. So, what's up next? What's up next on the trending topics? All right, so, second one, them say 2-year-old was rejected with, how this come?
No, man, I bold them at top.
Oh, come here, say me not understand that. Usain Bolt rejected his 2-year contract. They gave him an option to take a contract with Maltese champions Valletta. The 8-time Olympic champion agent has confirmed that the Jamaican has been trying to earn a contract with Central Coast Mariners and netted twice a two goal in the game.
2 goal.
Yeah, 2 goal in the last match, right? With the A-League season beginning this week, Bolt's future with the Australian club remains unclear. So he declined the contract?
He declined a contract with a team in Malta.
They offered him one. So
Yeah.
it's not the team that's him.
No,
the
not
team
the team.
Because we have to explain to we who don't watch. How much are on in here watch football? 1, 2, 3. Literally 3 hands.
I'm more than that watch football because you work out whole heap, so you must watch sports.
He did put up his hand.
No,
but
but
he's
he
an
did
only man in a muscle shirt in here. So he put up
Lift
his
up your
hand.
hand,
Like he put up his hand and then the gentleman in the blue and white Puma, he put up his hand because a sports shirt. He says him have an umbro.
And he go from
a
Olaba.
Puma? Eh?
Him go from Olaba.
So because him come from Olaba.
No, I must tell you, so him come from Olaba.
Oh, Ray. You could have each ride if you called early. But yeah, so not many of us understand exactly what it is. The team that he was playing with over there, that's not the Maltese
No, man.
team.
Malta, I don't remember the name of the team in Malta, but they offered him a contract, a 2 years contract,
And he
and
said
he turned
no.
it down. because
Why?
He wants to earn his contract with his current team.
So do you think he's good enough to get the contract with that team?
With his current team?
Yes.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but I think other clubs want to sign him because of the brand.
Because of
that's
who
used
he
in him.
is, yeah, because that will bring people to watch.
I mean, the Central Coast Mariners was formed this year, so he can make that team, but I don't understand why he would reject that 2-year deal if he.
So the Maltese team is a bigger team than the team when they won now?
Because they're hoping to play in Europa League. That's like below
Oh,
the
when
champions.
they pan? I'm going to talk about it now. I don't understand him.
Let's give him
What's
a
he
call.
up to?
Give him a
Huh? All right, your time.
Okay, so Jamaica reached the recovery to help 100 women with breast cancer. Caroline Graham, chairperson of Jamaica Reach the Recovery, says the organization was able to assist some 100 women affected by breast cancer with a 3.2 million it raised through various activities last year. The Jamaica Cancer Society and Jamaica Reach the Recovery continues to do a great work. Show your support and make a donation today at www.isupportjamaica.com and take part on Sunday, like we are,
Woo! We're going.
on Sunday, October 28th at the ICW Pink Run Walk.
Okay, please, guys, come on out. Saturday is my birthday, and if you don't want to give me
One of
something
us
for my present, I would
must come
appreciate
to,
if you go and register for the ICWI Pink Run.
One of us
When
come
are you
here.
birthday?
Oh,
Today's your birthday?
So
Oh my God!
Tuesday,
Happy birthday.
today, tomorrow.
Oh. What? All these October, it's like
Yeah, we love-
it's
I
like
love October
Oktoberfest in here.
I
Oh
love
my
that.
gosh.
We love
Yeah,
that.
you like
We
it?
love
You like it? You like Oktoberfest? Yes, I like it. So, that's the end of our trending topics. But as I said, if you want to participate and give me something for my birthday, even if it's not something that you normally do, please go register for the ICWI Pink Run on the 28th of October. It starts at 6:30 in the morning and it's just 5K.
No,
Will you
me-
say
me
my
tell-
all?
No, I tell him what you like.
Oh, yeah, tell them what my life for my birthday. But if you can't afford those things, it's $1,500 to register to run. If you can find a long pink socks or decorate yourself with anything pink, please come on out and run. Extra will be there. I saw his costume. It's amazing.
Just it's organized.
So, that's the end of trending topics for this morning.